Okay, so this is a video on how to analyze a forex pair. So the forex pair we're going to be analyzing today is AUD USD. So to start off, always start on the largest time frame, which is the monthly. Always start on the monthly time frame, and then work your way down each individual time frame until you get to the time frame that you prefer trading. I prefer trading intraday, so I usually work my way down from a monthly time frame to a 15-minute time frame, and then if I want more specific, exact entries, then I go to the 5-minute time frame. But you always want to start from the largest time frame. Okay, so this is a monthly time frame. All right, so what do? We look at what's happening. Went up, retrace, went higher, huge sell off, went higher, small retrace, went even higher, slowly sold off for like a couple years, retrace, sold off for a couple more years, retrace for a couple years or a few years. 2015, whenever this is, fell, tanked, went higher, and slowly been selling off for the past couple years. All right, so what are our points of interest? You want to look at where price has consolidated. And what do I mean by that? I mean the price levels that the pair tends to respect and bounce off of. All right, so let's start from the highest price level. Here's one level right here. Boom. Now, I mean, as far as this level, it's only been hit once, but they get respected, right? Boom. That's one level right there. Another level right here. What happened here? When it came higher, it respected, it came down. Came higher, came down. And then when we talk about the opposite side, came down, respected it, came back up. Came down, respected it, came back up. Same right here. Came back up, respected, came back down. Came up, respected it, came back down. All right. Okay, so that's that right there. Boom. That's another level. Respected it, respected, respected it, all through here, respected it. Right? So that's like main levels of interest. Now, unless I was like swing trading yearly, so technically that would just be like investing. I wouldn't really use these levels unless I was investing. So we do that. This was just an example, but the majority of these levels aren't going to be of interest to me because I'm not holding for multiple years. I'm only holding for like a couple hours to a day or two, right? At least that's the goal. So these levels aren't super important right now. They are important, super important, but just not right now because how often am I gonna run into these levels? Probably like never. Maybe like once every few years. So that's not super important to me right now. And then another level that we miss is right here. Respect it, respect it, respect. Alright, so let's go back down to a smaller time frame. What do we see here? Respected it, respected it, respected it. Even right around here, respected it. Alright, so these are some major levels that I can look at. But since I my goal is to trade intraday. The only levels that are really like super important to me that I would pay attention to are these levels. One right there, and then one right here. Let's go down to the daily time frame. Boom. 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 So, and then another way, and you can just another way you can mark major levels is with a line. Whether you want to use a box or line, it's up to you. I tend to actually use both. So for example, for like this level right here, what is that? And I usually use a yellow line, 0.6355, and I tend to use the exact levels because it's just more exact, and that's what I prefer. A lot of times I like go like this, and that is a major level that I use to read the chart. Okay, now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What do we see here? Respected that multiple times, right? Respected this level multiple times. Here, 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 here. Um, this level right here. Here, 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 here. All throughout here, respected, 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 respected. So that's how you draw points of interest as far as price levels. You can use lines, you can use boxes, but that's how I do it. Okay, and then the 1 hour, boom, boom. And as far as this time frame, these are the main two levels that I would use. And this is one of the things that you kind of have to practice a lot to get better at. So make sure that you practice it, go through it. And the more you do it, the better you'll get at spotting out these different types of levels. And eventually you'll get to a point where you can just do it in your sleep. So that's how you draw major price levels and points of interest. And make sure you like and subscribe and check out the links in the description.